You have the power to decide what happens if a Windows service fails. Let's dig into these decisions and see their benefits. First, you need to open the Services app. And the easiest way to do that is to click Start and type Services. Click the Services app here to open it. You can also open this app by using the Windows key +R and type services.msc.
Please subscribe.
This column has the name of the service, and this one has its description. This one shows its status. If it's currently running, you could see it here. This column shows the startup type and could be either automatic, manual, or disabled. And this column displays the user running this service. Here's a tip. If you sort by startup type, any service that is automatic here but is not started here could potentially be a problem. This means that the service should be started but for some reason is not. Double-click a service to open the Properties window. In this video, I am concentrating on the Recovery tab. When you click it, you will see the available actions to be taken when the service fails. As you can see here, if the service stops due to an error, it will restart on its first failure and will do nothing if it keeps stopping. So you must be thinking, hey, if I stop the service manually, will it trigger the first failure action? And the answer to that is sure, but only if you are best friends. So basically, no. The available options for a service failure are to take no action, basically do nothing, to restart the service. This is very common for situations where a service rarely fails. To run a program or to restart the computer. The option to restart the service will simply do what it's designed to do, which is to restart the service. If you choose to run a program, you could then add any program here. For example, it could be any process that runs and reacts to this failure or a program that alerts you of this. The sky is the limit. And the last option is to restart your computer. Additional options related to the restart are located here. These two options could be configured, but I find that the defaults are good enough in most cases. For most services that occasionally fail, you could set these options to restart the service while you are looking for a more permanent solution. This could of course lead to serious issues if the service keeps failing constantly. Remember that each failure will most likely be documented in the event viewer. You should always use it to review after using any of these recovery options. Anyway, I hope you liked the video and found it useful, short and to the point. For more videos like this, be sure to watch this one next.